Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or not launching. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you need to actually do is to open the start menu as you from here and search for Windows Security. As you from here, you need to open Windows Security, and after that you need to go to Virus and Threat Protection. So from here you need to click on Manage Settings, and now you need to scroll all the way down till you find exclusions. As you from here, you need to click on add or remove exclusions. And now you need to click on add an exclusion. Click on folder. And now you need to go to your Rockstar Games file. So it's probably located on the programs file. As you from here, you need to just scroll down until you find the Rockstar Games. As you from here, you need to open it. And now you need to hit on select folder. So now it's added as an exclusion. So if your Windows security thinks that your Rockstar Games folder is malicious or something like that, so now it won't interrupt with Rockstar Games. So this is the first solution. The next solution is to go to the start menu and search for the settings app. After that you need to open it, and now from here you need to go to apps section. Go to installed apps, and now you need to go to the Rockstar Games Launcher. I'll see from here. So if your games launcher isn't actually working, you need to sometimes just uninstall it and install the latest version from the official website. After that, most of the bugs with the installation file will be wiped out, and now you can just start fresh with a new installation with Rockstar Games Launcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.